Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be going over how I got these lights installed on my car. As you can see, I had a few comments below my video on specifically how I got them installed. So you can see right here, I will include an eBay posting of the seller that I bought them from. And let's get into this video. Okay, so the first part is, of course, getting the lights taken out. So with the originals, you will just have to pop them out. The best method is under here is going to be screws. So let me give you a bottom view. So you will have screws like right here, right here. So you have screws like that all along the bottom of the car, and you just take those screws out. That's pretty easy. The hard part is getting behind here, because what's behind here is a foam padding. So it's only like 2 squares, I believe, so behind here that you're able to actually stick your finger or your hand through in order to push it out. Now, I did struggle a little bit trying to get them out. I did break like a clip off of the old ones, so the old ones I cannot put them back onto the car. But putting these lights into space is not a hard task at all. You just go like this, just hit again, they'll just clip right on in. As you can see, they're very snug. So it's not hard to place them inside the clips. You just go ahead and hit it against the inside, and then they'll go right on in, and they're fit nice and snug. Now in regards to how I installed it, varies. I've seen a couple of videos and I got an idea. I'll put the link down for the video that I went based off of and that worked for me. But I just like to provide a disclaimer that I'm not a mechanic. I have no mechanic experience, so whatever you do to modify your car, I cannot be liable for that. You only can be liable for yourself. Okay. So right here, you have your ground wire right here. That's your ground wire. And then how I have the lights, let me go ahead and turn the car off. One moment. Okay, so right here you have your ground wire. That's how I have them right there. And then what do I have that actually uses electricity? One moment, let me get this off. This is the fuse box. So this right here is the number 10 fuse. Now, what I did find out about that fuse, unfortunately in a bad way, is that fuse right here, as you see, that fuse connects to your safety sensor, as well as a little bit of other things in regards to your engine. So what I recommend not to do whatsoever is to have any one of these number 10 fuses removed and then turn on your car. What happened to me was that I took out the fuse and I kind of accidentally dropped it in the car. So I have like a random fuse in the bottom of my car. But definitely do not turn your car on, because what happened was I got a check engine light as well as a message stating that my safety features are turned off. But I easily fixed that by going to AutoZone and got a replacement fuse. Okay, so that's the rule number 1 of what not to do. As you can see here, this is how I have the wiring. You know, I have it like this, and the connected box is right here. That's the box, the control unit for the lights. I just slip it down there. It doesn't move or slide forward. I haven't had no issues with that. Now, from the video that I went based off of to get the turn signals, because these will turn orange at the bottom. So let's turn on the light. Right in here, this is how you get to your light bulb, right here. So this is your turn signal light bulb, and this is where that's at. So you just turn it counterclockwise and it comes out. As you see here, here's your turn signal. You're gonna put the yellow wire into the last pinhole. So it's gonna be 3 pinholes, and then the last one on this end is where you're gonna put this yellow cord into. So let's go ahead and put this right back into here. Nice and snug. And there you go. Synchronized very well. But other than that, they are totally fine when it comes to the installation and the lights. Now, what did I also experience when installing these lights? Every hour, the lights do turn on by themselves. And no, it doesn't drain my battery, because I had this car for about 6 or 8 months already. So it doesn't drain my battery at all, especially because these are LEDs. So they'll be totally fine. They won't drain my battery. And they only stay on for like 15 seconds and then they just turn off automatically. That's just the only quirk I did find, is that they just turn on by themselves every hour or every 2 hours for like 15 seconds and then they turn back off. But other than that, I haven't experienced no other issues once I got them installed and I left everything how they were. I didn't experience no issues driving through the rain. But yeah, I'll definitely include pics of the process of how I had to dismantle everything and how everything looked and the finished product, which of course you see right here. But I also did take some pictures when I did one side and then the other side wasn't done yet. So if you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up and see you guys later.